Hi guys, today we're going to be upgrading the sound system on the Renault Sandero. So in the front we'll be putting in this infinity speakers. You can get them for like 1.6. I got them at Montana Family Market for that price. Yeah, but online I think they're like 1.8, 2,000. But yeah, got our tools. There's just also we're gonna sound it in the doors. We got this for 1.2. It's a whole box with I think 10 of the seats, and the seats are big. So if you are upgrading your sound, I'd advise that you get this ones instead of the smaller ones, because as you can see, this is one sheet. It extends to back here, and there's 10 of them. So yeah, rather get this ones. So we're gonna put them on the doors. But yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, this was 1,200 Montana Family Market as well. Comes with a ruler as well. You'll see me use that. But yeah, let's get to it. To start off, we'll just need to take off the panel. There's just a bolt here. It's a T30. And then there's a T20 here. And then there's two more in here. Well, that fell. There's two more in there. There's one there, another T30, and there's another one right somewhere in there. I'm gonna have to clean this up either way, but yeah, let's get to it. Right, door panel is out. We're gonna clean here, and yeah, you can go right ahead and stick this where you want to be. Won't be needing that anymore, so you can take that out. And then we're gonna clean in here. We already got a bucket with water, so we're gonna clean here, we're gonna clean here, and we're gonna clean all of this. And then yeah, you join me when we get back to the back door after all of this is cleaned. we're done taking the speaker out. So if you want to find out which one the positive is and the negative is, you just connect them on the rear leads here at the back, and then you just use a battery. So if you connect the right positive to the right negative, then the speaker will pop upwards. But if you connect it the wrong way, it'll pop back inwards. So let's try it. As you can see, it's popping inwards. And then let's just exchange them. If you can see, it's popping outwards. So if we check here at the back at where the connections go, it means the blue one is the positive and the cream one is the negative. So that's how you know which wire is which here. So now you can put it on your new speaker knowing which one is positive and which one is negative. So if it pops outwards, that's the correct positive and negative on the battery that you should follow. If it pops back inwards, that's not the right one. Right, so we have taken out the speaker out of here, and now we've cleaned. Yeah, you're gonna cut yourself at some point doing all of this. So now we're just gonna put in some sound deadening at the back here, and then we're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna put it on the door card as well. So yeah, that's what we're gonna get up to next. Right, now that we've taken out the speaker and we've cleaned inside, we're gonna put sound deadening. I have cut it up into 2 pieces, but I think it's gonna be more than that. Yeah, I'm bleeding because there's sharp edges in there. Make sure you wear gloves. The reason I'm not wearing gloves is that with this, the gloves stick to this. So the gloves are here, but we're just gonna size this up inside and then put on the gloves and make sure it's all rolled in. So yeah, let's get to it. Side, whichever side works. Please don't cut me again. If you want to make this easy on yourself, do it piece by piece, but I'm tired now, so I'm doing the whole thing. So just cut it into 2. So the first part is for the top part, and then the other one for the bottom part. But yeah, I'll just unfold it while it's inside, but I am tired. Areas tight, use the bag. There's no need for you to roll it because there's not enough space in there to roll it. So hard to reach areas. Just turn it around and do it like that. So I made the wise decision of forgetting the sheet for this foam at my brother's place, so I just have cutouts from the last time I did this. So yeah, we're just gonna put them behind the speaker. So the first one will go probably down here. Yeah, here. Yeah, down there. The second one will come here. right there, and then I'll see if I'll put a third one up here, but it's not that much needed. It's needed right behind the speaker. As you can see there, it's just in line with the window rail, so please make sure of that, not to get a very thick one so that you don't disrupt how the window comes down there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. Yeah. This is just a double-sided tape to stick it in there. So we're just gonna put 2 strips. Oh, don't stick to each other.
Stick it to the man.
So yeah, that's how it looks there. So it's just behind the speaker. Now we're just gonna put the deadening over there, and then we're gonna start with the speaker. Yeah, we're gonna start by putting the speaker and then putting the deadening. I think I already showed you guys how to check which one is the positive and negative. So we did it on the other side. So on this one, if I'm not mistaken, the brown is the positive and the green is the negative. Yeah. Alright guys, we got some rust protect when we take out the, I think it's the rivets. Yeah. Why this is from the speaker I did put in my previous car. So you can see there's rust. Even though it's just surface rust, we can just scrape that off. But rust does start occurring here because if you saw, we had to clean. So it means water does get in here and then moisture does do its thing. So just spray a little bit of this, even though it's not a lot. Just put something behind there. There. Do the same from the back. Yeah, this one is a clear one, but yeah, anything that helps rust not to occur, just spray a little bit on the, I'll clean this up and spray a little bit on the speaker as well, but yeah, just to prevent, okay, that happened, just to prevent rust from just to prevent rust from building up. Oh goodness me. Right, in terms of putting in the speaker, usually most people put it in like this to the adapter, but that just makes it poke out even further. So I'm not gonna put it like that. I'm gonna put it in here. So all I'll need is pliers, of which were here, but pliers. So you just, well, I think I got the wrong ones, but gotta bend this down. That, and then the speaker is in like that. All I'm going to do is take, well, a knife and just scrape around here to make sure that the space is a little bit bigger, but as it is right now seems enough. But don't want to take any chances, just scrape around this surface to just make sure the clearances are fine, so that yeah. And then I'm just gonna screw the speaker in from behind, and then it's gonna be in and it's gonna be flush, so nothing hits the speaker. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna mount this in there instead of it being like that. Right, that's it. So I got the knife, so it's this, it's easy, just doing that. I don't know if you can see on the camera that there's pieces already falling, there's some here. So not a lot of space is needed, but just to make sure that it is that additional space. So yeah, just do that all around, and then yeah, we'll continue. Alright guys, you screwed it in from behind, so you can see some of the screws are poking out, but I don't really mind. But yeah, because I'm gonna cover them with sound deadening. But yeah, screwed in from behind, and we've added some double-side tape from behind. We're just gonna unstick it, and then that will be in. And we added a hole here for the rivet, because this spacer is for an Etios. If you're going to look for one, this is for an Etios. So for it to fit all three, I just added a hole here because it wasn't aligning to the one that was made with it. So we just drilled the hole, and also one for the cables to come out of. So we're gonna just put the cables now and then put it in. Alrighty, let's get this in. And that's it with the doors, guys. For the tweeters, I put them on the B pillar. I used downlight ceiling drill bit set. Just make sure you size them up from the rear of the tweeter, and they just slip in flush with the B pillar. For the doors, battery ran out, so I did some sound deadening on the outside where you see here, and also on the plastic panel that we initially took out. But yeah, that's it guys on this one. I'll catch you on the next one, where I show you how I went about installing the rear speakers.